The value of Russia's crude exports has dropped to its lowest point since January 2023. A drop in shipments and a fall in oil prices have hurt Moscow's war chest, and the shipments data showed the largest weekly drop in flows since the invasion of Ukraine in 2022. Globally, oil prices have plunged as supplies have outpaced demand. Benchmark Brent crude slumped below $60 per barrel for the first time since May. US crude dropped below $55 for the first time since the start of the Ukraine war. First, OPEC's decision to increase production through this year weighed on prices. Now the long-established geopolitical premium on crude is diminishing on hopes of a Ukraine peace deal. An 11th straight drop in crude prices has also added to Moscow's difficulties. The price of Ukraine's Urals is down by about $20 a barrel, the lowest since the war began. Compared to its recent peak in mid-July, Russian crude has slumped by more than one-third. In addition to that, US sanctions are starting to hurt Moscow's oil cargoes. Moscow is finding it difficult to offload cargoes, and data shows that more than 170 million barrels of Russian crude is sitting in tankers. That is an increase of 40% since the end of August. 20 cargoes that were loaded at the country's western ports in September and October have not yet been delivered. The decline in Russian revenues come when President Trump is pressuring Ukraine to strike a peace deal. Meanwhile, Kiev has increased its attack on Russian oil assets. That includes tankers transporting Russian oil and production rigs in the Caspian Sea. With the weekly export value the lowest in 3 years, it remains to be seen how long Russia holds out the peace deal.